Right, guys, thanks for joining us. Just keen to have a chat about where we are, the situation at the moment.
They're trying to take everything from us. It's a way of life they want to destroy.
If you have a lot of what people want and can't get, then you can supply the demand and shovel in the dough. There's no such thing as good money or bad money. There's just money.
Just gotta keep our story straight. No one's gotta know what we did.
What if you get investigated?
I've done nothing wrong.
I think there's a lot more that you're not telling me.
It's business.